Snapchat has a new Twitter integration that allows users to share tweets in Snap form. I'm Jessica from TechBoomers.com, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to share tweets on Snapchat. Now let's get started. To begin, make sure your Twitter and Snapchat apps have been updated to the newest versions. Then open the Twitter app and find the tweet you want to share on Snapchat. Tap the share icon at the bottom of the tweet. From the menu that appears, select Snap Camera. Your Snapchat app will open and the tweet you've selected to share will appear in the middle of your camera window. You'll be able to adjust the placement of the tweet once you take your photo or video. Throw on a filter if you like, then take your photo or video snap as you normally would. After that, your tweet will behave like a sticker that you can move around, make bigger or smaller, and rotate if you like. After that, you can send off your snap to your friends or share it to your story. When people view your snap, they can swipe up to view the tweet you linked and its replies. That's all it takes to share tweets on Snapchat. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.